You will be shocked with this quick and easy way to earn $35, which I'm about to tell you in this video. Yes, this is true and real, and you won't actually have to do vigorous things because I myself made it sure that this is a very simple and easy to do, especially for people who just started this online work gig. On top of that, you won't need to give any money because there is no investment needed for this strategy, as this is completely free and you can do this literally from any place around the globe. Yep, you heard that one right. No matter where you are in the world, you can do this brand new method and start earning some cash. In this video, I'm going to show you how to do it. I know a lot of people have tried using this strategy already and have been making a lot of money since then, and I want to share this with you so that you will be like them also. So, I want you to pay close attention and watch this video until the very end so that you will know how to do the strategy that I'm talking about. Don't worry about getting confused or anything because I will guide you through each and every step of the way, and I will be showing you a detailed step-by-step tutorial later on how to do this strategy properly. Then after that, you will surely earn a lot of money from it. And of course, as always, I'm going to give you some exclusive bonus tip that will aid you in doubling or even tripling your earning, so you better watch out for that later. But before we begin, don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel as well. Hit that notification bell button so that you will get notified whenever a new money-making video from our channel comes out. Also, share this to your friends and family so that you and everyone else will know this great tip to earn money. If you have any questions, concerns, or opinions about the video, just leave a comment below. We love to hear from you. Now, to make this video short and precise in order for you to earn money right away, let's head on to the first step. I want you to go to the website called Pexels.com. For those of you who are new to my channel, here in Pexels.com, you can download non-copyright images for absolutely free. Pexels is a free stock video and photo website and application that helps everyone such as designer and bloggers who are looking for visuals to find great videos and photos that can be used for free and downloaded. If you find a video or photo that you like, you can easily and simply download it for free here on Pexels. Right now, all you have to do is to search for black and white photos. In order to do that, you will just click the search bar or bar above and then type in black and white photo. Then hit enter to view the results. When you scroll below the page, you will see that they have many and various free black and white photos which you can get and download for free. So, we will be utilizing these photos later on this video in order to earn money online, and I'm going to show you how to do it step by step. So sit back, relax, and keep on watching this video, okay? Now for the next step, I want you to go to a website called Colorizing.com. To access the website, here's what you will need to do. Go to google.com and type Colorize in the search bar. Click on the first link that you will see above. After that, you will immediately reach this website as you can see right here. I don't feature this website a lot in my previous videos, but to basically introduce this to you, Colorize is a web tool where you can turn your black and white photos to colored photos with the use of their artificial intelligence feature. Colorize.com is an AI-powered photo colorizer that simplifies the whole process of colorize dropping. With Colorize.com, you can colorize all photos in complete automated mode by using AI technology and deep learning. This AI photo colorizer allows you to colorize either black and white photos, yellowish, or gray images in just a few seconds. This tool is actually very simple and easy to use. If you scroll through the page, you will see here that you only need 3 steps to colorize a photo. By utilizing this app, the first step that you will need to do is to prepare your digital black and white photo. Second is that you will upload this photo on this website. And for the third step, you will download the colorized photo for free. Pretty simple and awesome, right? Now, I am going to show you how to use this web tool for the reason that we will be utilizing this tool later on to make some money. Alright, so when you go to the homepage of this website, you will be able to see this box where you can upload your black and white photo. Just click on that and then choose the black and white photo that you want or need to colorize. You may download some photos on Pexels, which you can upload right here. It will only take a few seconds for their AI to do the work of colorizing your photo, and just like that, you will now have a fully colored photo from the black and white photo you uploaded earlier. Just like that I told you earlier, you are capable of downloading this photo for free. Just simply click on this download button in order to download the colorized photo on your laptop or computer. On top of that, you can also do this method using your tablet or smartphone. So even though you don't have a laptop or a computer, you can still utilize this AI web tool. Now let's try to colorize another photo, just like what we did for the first one. All we have to do is to click on this upload button or box and then select a photo from your device. Wait for a couple of seconds and now you have a fully colorized photo once again. Again, you can just download these photos for entirely free. You can basically colorize a lot of photos if you want to. Later on this video, I'm going to show you where you can generate money online by using this free web tool, so I want you to keep on watching this video and don't skip any parts, because I am going to show you another website which I want to share with you. You can also use this website in order to make money now. There's only a minimum number of people who are talking about these websites that I am sharing with you in my videos, so you are very fortunate that you're watching this right now. So now, I want to share with you this another website that we'll be using today. This website is called remove.bg. To access this website, here's what you will need to do. Go to Google and type remove.bg in the search bar. Click the first link that you will see above. Then you are now on the website. This is another web tool which you can utilize to remove backgrounds or photos 100% automatically. You can do the task for just 5 seconds with 0 clicks. There are 20 million approximately more interesting activities than removing backgrounds by hand. Huge thanks to remove.bg's amazing AI technology, you are now capable of eliminating that editing time and have more time to do other things that you want. If you scroll down below the page, you will see here the example of a photo with its background removed with the use of this free tool. When you try to slide this button, you will see the photo with a background, and when you slide it to the opposite side, you will now see the photo without a background, and all of that is made possible by utilizing their very advanced AI technology tool. On top of that, this website is also 100% free. Yes, you heard that one right. You are capable of utilizing this tool for free, and you can also use this later on in making money online. I'm going to show you how to do exactly that in just a moment. So before we proceed on showing you how to generate money online using these websites, including the previous one that I have shown you, let's test this tool first to know how it works. So as you can see on their homepage, you will see here that you can just directly upload a photo or simply drag and drop a photo on this box. Now, I'm going to try and utilize this photo as an example. So you will see here that in just a few seconds, they remove the background of this photo, and you will also see here that you can get and download this photo for free by simply clicking on either of these two buttons. Of course, if you want to download it with a higher resolution, you can just simply click on this button right here, and that will automatically be downloaded to your computer or any device you are using. Again, you can do this on your smartphone or tablet, so you don't need to worry about not having a computer or a laptop, because it is versatile enough to be used on any device. So now, I'm going to show you some of the websites where you can earn some money by simply using these two apps that I've mentioned in this video. Now, the first website is called Fiverr.com. I think a lot of people from all over the world are already familiar with this website, but for those who are new to this, Fiverr.com is an online platform for freelance services. This is where freelancers go and offer their services to their customers around the globe. So here, what we will be doing is to go to the search box and type in colorize photo, then click the search button. After doing that, you're going to see all the people who are selling this type of services. As you can see right here, the payment ranges from $5 up to $25 or more, and all they do is to colorize photos using the web tools that I have mentioned to you earlier. You can also do this type of work on your own, and you won't need to break a sweat to do exactly that, because all of it is done in full automation. By using Colorize.com, you can simply upload a black and white picture, and then the AI technology tool for the website will do all the work for you. Sounds very amazing, right? Now, for you to earn money on Fiverr, you will need first to create an account, and for you to do that, just simply click on this link saying Become a Seller right here on top. You will then search this page right here where you can sign up as a seller for absolutely free. All you have to do is to type in all the necessary information here. After that, just click on Continue, and you can start selling your services on Fiverr. Another website where you can also offer your services is called peopleperhour.com. Just like in Fiverr, the only thing that you will do is to search for background removal in the search bar, and then you will be able to see all of these freelancers who are offering their services. The payment for this type of service ranges from $10 up to $35 or even more. If you ask me, that's a lot of money already for you to earn by simply removing backgrounds, and you won't need to do a lot of tasks because you will just use the remove.bg website to remove backgrounds from pictures or photos to start selling your services on peopleperhour.com. In order to do that, first you need to sign up for a free account, and for you to do that, simply click on this one on top, and then you will head over to this page right here. Just make sure that you will click on this button right here saying, I want to work as a freelancer, and then you will provide the necessary details right here. So now that you have your accounts on Fiverr and People Per Hour, you can now start offering and selling your services on these websites. So if you want to colorize black and white photos, you can utilize Colorize.com, and if you want to remove the background from a photo, you can utilize remove.bg. Take note that you can do this repeatedly until you have your desired income already. That's all for today. I hope you learned something from this video and that I was able to help you find a new way to earn money online. As always, if you like this video, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to this channel as well. Ring that notification bell so that you will get notified for our next videos. Stay tuned for our next video, and I'll see you there.